Why does your scanner show the P2043 engine code? What does it mean? P2043 is a diagnostic trouble code for reductant temperature sensor circuit range or performance. This error code indicates it means your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that the temperature reading from the diesel exhaust fluid tank is erratic, out of the expected voltage range, or implausible. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty DEF temperature sensor, damaged wiring or connectors, DEF contamination or low quality, exhaust leaks, malfunctioning DEF heater. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Ram, Mercedes-Benz, and Chevrolet. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.